right, part one of the King of Queens sitcom snack is going to be in my dry ingredients bowl. I already have my flour in here, and I'm going to add to that my baking soda. This is self-rising, so this is my baking soda. And over here, I'm going to cream my half a cup of butter, white sugar, brown sugar, and then the egg, and also add ground cinnamon and my vanilla. And then these are my add-ins: oats, nuts, coconut, chocolate chips. So this is going to be an upgrade to the treat, but this is part one of the treat. yum and more yum. I made them big, not realizing they would spread actually this way, but I need them big for the treat, for the King of Queens sitcom treat. So the next batch I make after I let these cool, I'm going to make them just a hair smaller because those will just be for us to enjoy. This is plenty enough to make the King of Queens sitcom snack. These cookies are amazing. I actually had some last night. Mike got some from work. The guy always saves me the cookies, and they are the best. I think he gets them from Hot Box Cookie, and I think these were from there. And I was like, you know what? I'm not making just an ordinary oatmeal cookie. I am making a blowout cookie with coconut, nuts, and chocolate chips and oatmeal, just like that one. These look amazing. They smell even better, and I can't wait for one to cool off so I can eat it. Part 2 coming soon.